Boxycharm, what is you doing? What is you doing, boo-boo? What is you doing? Is you for real today? Is you for real, Boxycharm? Is you for real? I'm so goofy. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about our January Boxycharm, the first Boxycharm of the year 2018. So I wanted to do something a little different with this box. I wanted to go ahead and actually use the products in this video. I don't think I've ever done an unboxing and actually using the products in the same video, so this video might get a little bit lengthy. Hopefully not too lengthy, but I believe there are a decent amount of products for me to try out and actually do something with my face today. So don't be alarmed. I know I'm completely barefaced, completely open and free and natural to the world. So that is what I'm doing today. I'm gonna go ahead and go through and try and use these products. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take each one out so that I can see what I need to do. This is what the box looks like this month. And so, let me move this little card. It says Rock 2018. So I guess the theme of this box is kind of like a rock and roll box, you know, like, or whatever. How do you do it? Rock and roll, dude. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just check these products out, see what's in here, and figure out what I need to use first. So as usual, I have my card with all of my information on it for these products. So I'm just gonna put them in order that I'm going to use them. Okay, so it looks like a pretty decent box. Let's see if I can actually use these items or if I would be giving them to my daughter. Okay, so the first item I want to start out is a eyebrow product, and this is called Brow Power, and this is the little box that it came in. Very nice little silver box, and it says here, let's see, this is from It Cosmetics, Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. The retail cost or retail price for this is $24. It says developed with plastic surgeons, It Cosmetics #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow enhancing biotin, lecithin, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. Let's see, plus its universal transforming shade adjusts to all hair colors based on pressure. Okay, so I guess a lot of different hair colors, dark or light, can use this depending on the amount of pressure that you use using it. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair, and it includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polished perfection. Pretty good, so let's check it out. Go ahead and open this up, and I will of course be using the most pressure because I have very dark hair. So this is what it actually looks like. And so this is the spoolie tip. This is the actual product tip. So let me go ahead and try and twist it a little. So I am going to go ahead and test this out and see how it works. Okay, so my initial thoughts on the product is actually it's not bad. It's quite easy to use and control. Not exactly as dark. It doesn't go as dark as I thought it might, but I guess, you know, for it to be a universal eyebrow product that it can't be too dark, but actually I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and use some concealer to clean up my eyebrows, and then I will come right back. Okay, now that we have our eyebrows done with a pretty decent eyebrow product and cleaned up, now I'm going to move on to the next item that is in my box, which is the Pores No More Illuminizer Primer, and this is from Dr. Brandt. So this is what the Pores No More Dr. Brandt packaging looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and use this primer on my face and see how I like it. Now it says here that the Pores No More Illuminizer Primer, the MSRP on this is $38. Luminizer Primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. So let's go ahead and try this out. So my initial thoughts is there's a slight scent to it, a slight medicine-y scent to it. Not too strong though, very slight. It's a nice creamy formula, nothing too heavy. It's kind of nice. It feels like actually like a nice moisturizer on my face. So yeah, just my initial thoughts is that it's pretty nice. It's nice and creamy, not too heavy. Doesn't feel weird or anything like that. Just seems like a normal primer. So we'll see. And it's not as bright as some of the other illuminizing primers that I've used. So I like that because I don't like it when they're too bright and glowy. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some foundation. I think today I'm going to go ahead and use my Wet n Wild foundation, and this is in the color Espresso. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Photo Focus Wet n Wild foundation, and then I will come right back to move on to the rest of the products. Okay, now that I look like a nice little pumpkin, while we wait for this foundation to settle in, I'm going to move on to the next product and see what it is. So next we have an eyeshadow palette, and this is called Glam Metals, and this is by Crown. And it says that this eyeshadow palette retails for $25. It says, rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. So I guess I'm going for a smoky eye look today. So it comes in this nice little shiny cardboard palette, and it has a guitar shaped mirror in here with a plastic covering for the shades, of course. But these are the shades in this palette. So it actually looks like there's quite a bit of shimmer shades in this palette, and then there's a matte black. This color here looks like it might be a mix between like a shimmer, but you can also use it as a matte shade as well. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this, but we are going to just wing it. We're just gonna go for it. So first I'm gonna go ahead and prime and prep my eyes to prepare it for the shadow. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna do with this palette. I think I want to start out with this shade here, which is called Wild Thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start out with placing that on my lid. Okay, so this shade is actually quite nice. It's a really pretty nice rosy type shade. It does have a slight amount of shimmer in it, but I'm gonna work with it anyway. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this color, The Wicked. So it's like a darker maroon type color. I'm gonna use that one there. Okay, so those colors actually look pretty nice. Gave me a nice base for my look. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this color here, Rebel. So it's a really pretty like bronzy gold shimmer color. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that. I don't feel like doing a cut crease, so I'm just going to place some of that on my lower eyelid. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and wet my brush with some of my setting spray. I said I wasn't doing a cut crease, but of course it always turns into that. So now that I have this gold placed on my lid, which actually is very, very pigmented, nice, and a very pretty shimmer to it, I'm gonna go ahead and go into this black color, this black metal here. And I'm going to place some of that on the outer corner and just kind of blend it into that gold. Try to get me a little punk rock going. Now I'm just gonna go back in and kind of blend out my crease area so it's not so harsh. This black is actually pretty pigmented. It's not super black. It's kind of like a off black, but it's nicely pigmented. Okay, so I think that is pretty much done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna go ahead and use some concealer to clean up the rest of my face and finish with my eyeliner and mascara, and then we'll move on to the next product. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead, finished my face, added a little concealer, a little contour, and I did my eyeliner and mascara. So now we can move on to the next product, which is in here, and that is this Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. And this is what that looks like. Very nice, pretty white plastic container. So let's open it up. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful bronze color, which I don't use bronzer, but beautiful bronze, beautiful shimmer, and beautiful shimmery blush color. Now on here it says that the Pure Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette retails for $34. So very pretty. It says an on-the-go highlighter, bronzer, and blush palette with the 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. So this is what I'm going to try and use next. Let me go ahead and swatch this right quick. So that's the bronzer. That is the highlight. And that is the blush. So I'm a little scared because I don't want to look like glitter everywhere. As you can see, I really went in and smoked out my lower lash line trying to get in this punk rock thing for this box. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the blush color first. I'm gonna start off with just a little first. That's pretty. It's very pretty. It does have a slight shimmer to it though, so I'm just gonna go lightly. Looks like it is just giving me a nice light peach glow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the highlight and see how that works out. So now I'm gonna do something that I never do because I don't use bronzer, and I'm gonna go ahead and just gently tap into this bronzer and try it out. It definitely has a shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see that, but it definitely does. So I'm gonna stay in the cheek area with it. Most likely from this palette, I will definitely use the highlighter and the blush, not the bronzer. I don't even want to put it on my forehead. I don't want to be shining, but I'll go ahead and try it out. So all in all, I really like it. It's a very, very nice palette. A nice addition to my collection. Okay, you guys, so I only have one more item to use out of this Boxycharm box. Everything has been going pretty well so far. So the last item I have is a lip product, and this is Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint. So this is what the box looks like. Very cute. And it says here, Galactic Matte Lip Paint retails for $23. One of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its word. Lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply a lip balm or lip primer before application. So, glad I read that. Let's see what color this is. Okay, so this is what the actual lipstick looks like. Very, very pretty. And this is in the color Demure. So I'm just going to go ahead and try this out and see how it looks. Ooh, this feels very nice. It's very creamy and smooth, not sticky at all. So it's a very nice, soft, rosy color. Has a nice scent to it. Not anything too strong, but it smells nice. I like it. I think it goes nicely with this look I created. Not anything too bold or too wild, so I actually like it. So it looks like this month was an A+ for Boxycharm. I didn't get any products that I won't use or that I don't want, so let me tell my daughter and my sister, no, you ain't getting it. So anyways, this is the face I created from Boxycharm this month, so I'm very happy about it. So it seems like I got a really great box this month, and the total retail value for this month's box is $144. So hey, for 21 bucks, I feel like I made out like a fat rat. A fat rat. So anywho, that's my Boxycharm video for this month. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed it. Let me know if you like me actually using the products in the video instead of just pulling them out and telling you what it is, because I can do that in the future if they send me products I can use. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Toodles!